was gonna say, here, smell it. That's stupid. Hey guys, it's Zia. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I just got home from shopping. I went to TJ Maxx and Mrshall's to look for some stuff to help organize my makeup, and I ended up finding some skincare items. So I want to share that with you guys. It's just a really quick kind of, well, exactly last minute video, but I figured I'd share it with you guys, show you what I got. So I'm gonna start off with Mrshall's. So the first thing I have here is, wait, no, this is TJ Maxx. Sorry, Mrshall's didn't have any organizers that I wanted, and they were very limited. And then TJ Maxx had a ton, not necessarily the kinds I wanted, but they did have a few options. I can't talk. Also, my throat is getting really tight right now. Really tight and dry. So yeah, I'm definitely coming down with something. Anyway, getting into the haul, the first thing I have here is this little makeup organizer thing. It's really cute. Oh good, the stickers come off. I was like, oh no. Yeah, the stickers come off of it. The bottom is not actually like this, although you could leave it on if you wanted. It's just clear. This bottom part comes out. That's just part of the packaging. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 little compartments. I have a ton of things that still need to be sorted out and organized, so I felt like this would probably work. I'm gonna get started on that once I finish this video, so we'll see how it goes. I'm organizing it all in this little stand right here. That's more than enough for things that I actually use. And then there's always things that I don't use out, because sometimes I'm like, I'm gonna use these, and then I just don't. And I got this nail care organizer. I'm not gonna use this for nail polish. You can see it has 4 compartments, and it's open all the way through, and that made me think that it would be perfect for my palettes. Right now my palettes are just lined up this way, like this would be the shelf, and it's just lined up like this. So hopefully I can put it all in here and have it staggered so I can like really see what I have, and it would help me take up a little less space too. And I got this set of 4 mini baskets. There's always like smaller loose things that I can use these for. I don't think I'll use all 4 just in here. I'll probably put one in the bathroom, one in a cabinet or something. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys the prices. This organizer, the big one, was $10, $9.99. This one I believe was also $10. Where are you? Price tag? Yes, $9.99, says so right there. And this was $6.99. These are going to come in really handy. It's not what I was planning on using, but I think it is going to work out really well. Now on to the stuff that I got from Mrshall's. I basically just got a bunch of skincare things for the most part, except for this. This is a Batiste dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is one of my best friends because I wash my hair once or twice a week unless there's a heat wave, in which case I will wash it every day of the heat wave. And today is really hot. I am sweaty, and I'm worried that it's gonna start showing through my shirt because of how hot it is today. For other people it wouldn't be that hot. It's probably like 86 or something here, but that's a lot for me. I'm used to the weather being in the 60s, so 20 degrees hotter is a lot. Anyway, I got this one. It's just the original one. I've smelled the other ones. I like the pink can. I forget what it's called. It's probably just called Floral, right? I like that one, but I like the Clean and Classic original one the best. Kind of matches my hair. This was $8.99 for the giant one, which is pretty good because I think it's usually that much for a small version at places like Target and Ulta. The next thing I have here that also isn't skincare is the Too Faced Better Than Love. I didn't read this closely, but it says Better Than Love, not Better Than Sex, and that is not the right name. Better Than Love. There's something wrong here, right? Because it's the Better Than Sex mascara. Is this a knockoff? Is this fake? Honestly, I don't know, but I'm kind of confused now. See, this is Better Than Love mascara. Am I putting that the right way? No, I'm not. It says Better Than Love right there. That doesn't make any sense. I'm so lost. I don't know, man. That's confusing. I don't know. I have this peel off strawberry gummy nose mask. I like using the Biore nose strips, really any nose strip, but I feel like there's spots that it just doesn't get. So when I saw the gummy thing, I was really excited because I really want to give this a try and try to like just get everything out because my nose is like so oily, and maybe this will help. And next thing I have here is this Advanced Clinicals Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. This is the spa size one. It's funny because I saw this on Amazon and I was just about to buy it. I put it in my cart and everything, but I decided to wait, and I just saw it at Mrshall's. I was really happy to find it. It's a little bit more expensive at Amazon, on Amazon. Here it's for $4.99, so I think that's definitely worth it. I've heard good things about it. Hopefully it is actually good. I can't speak for the ingredients because there's a lot in here. I see some words that look really good and some words that scare me, so I don't know. I'm not saying use it, I'm just saying I bought it. The next thing I have here is this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Moisture Rich Night Cream for Overnight Renewal. I love Palmer's items. I use the cocoa butter oil on my skin after I shave, and it just makes my skin feel smooth for like days. Cocoa butter is also good for stretch marks and things like that, and as a big girl I have stretch marks. I've always had stretch marks for as long as I can remember. I didn't gain weight one day and then have stretch marks. I've had stretch marks for forever. Anyway, this isn't for stretch marks. This is a facial night cream, and it has retinol, peptide complex, shea butter, and aloe. 100% free of parabens, phthalates, and dyes. Let's see what this smells like because I really love the way Palmer's items smell. I was gonna say, here, smell it. That's stupid. It smells okay. It doesn't have that rich cocoa butter smell that I like, but it's good. Oh, that's soft. Oh, that's so soft. I don't know why I'm talking that way. I'm sorry to anybody who has that accent. I apologize. And, oh, this is the final thing. I got this retinol vitamin enriched eye gel. I have used skincare cosmetics retinol products before, and I have loved them. They have this skin brightening serum that I used to use all the time. I don't know why I stopped. Oh, I stopped because I could never find it at TJ Maxx anymore. But it was really, really good stuff. I loved it. They also have this turmeric facial mask, and it's just this really jelly mask, and you smooth it on, and when you wash it off, your skin just feels so smooth and looks like so much brighter. It's really good. I really like this brand. I've never tried the eye gel, so I'm really excited to start using this. It's really pretty. See that? Alien green. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so hope you guys stick around to see those because I would love to have you as part of my tiny little growing YouTube family. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.